Hey, what's going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Back at you with another stock market update. This your boy Terrence Ray. As you can see, I'm still a little bit congested, but I just wanted to go live. I was gonna wait till the market open, but let's go ahead because I'm gonna get off when the market open. We're probably going to have a well, it's gonna open with a big move. All right, with 8 minutes to the bell, we got the S&P 500 sitting at up about 0.5% over here. The Nasdaq futures are up a little bit, 0.60%. The Russell futures are leading the way. They're up 0.85%. Excuse me, 0.82. So with the Russell being up the most out of the bunch, uh, I'm expecting to get a nice move to the upside. I got a couple trades on. Now Tesla is what I wanted to show. I've been tracking Tesla for the past week or two. It's a couple of them that I've been showing. Tesla, if you go back to the community post, you will be able to see that that I like coin. I posted a chart of Coinbase. I posted Coinbase when it was right here, like in the when it was getting ready to break. Matter of fact, I think before when it gapped up, like right in here, I drew this little box and I said once it comes out, you see right here how it broke out. It retested and then look, took off. So if you hopefully some people caught that. Excuse me. Hopefully some people caught that, but if you didn't, we may get that opportunity in Tesla. Now it looks a little different because we got a different type of range, like a pennant coming down, right? And we're right up against now the good thing about Tasty Trade is it's showing us where the market is right now. The market, even though the bell hasn't opened, once we get that opening bell, the market will this candlestick will change to where it's at, like opening bell. But you can see the pre-market movement on Tasty Trade on the daily. So it's showing you what the candlestick looks like right now. So it's gonna gap up right here. I already bought two calls yesterday in Tesla. So more than likely they'll be up. Excuse me, one. I got two calls in IWM. I got one call in Tesla. I'll probably close this and take, I don't know, $100 out of it, maybe even more. I just put it on yesterday, so I may take profit just because I could see us getting some consolidation right here. Like I can see the market coming here and then chopping, maybe even pulling back a little to come around this area. But ultimately, I do think it'll make it here. Now, maybe I should just roll the dice. We'll see. I want to see how it opens, how it responds to the trend line, because we could get something just like we got in coin. Show you just like we got in coin. You want to see it break it and you want to see it retest. And you see it retest and it gave us a hammer candle. This is one of my favorite candles to see. The hammer and the doji. Look right here, hammer. Market went up. Got a hammer candle right here, gapped up. So I want to see this type of move right here in Tesla. If we get that kind of move, break out here, hit this fib level, pull back, retest, and then go. If it retests, um, next level is up here somewhere. I will refib it. So you may say, well, you got a level right here. Yeah, but I may refib it or go for this next level, right? That'll fill the gap. So, but initially, this call right here that I have only 9 days on with a $13 expected move. So even from here, the option market is saying they got a $13 expected move, $13 from here. We'll put it right around there. That's what that's about. Because yesterday it's going off this price, which was 246. 13 will put it at 259. That's right up there. So let's see what we get from Tesla. Another one that I'm looking at that I have calls in is IWM. I drew the range. If you're not if you're not checking my stock market updates or following me on Twitter, um, you playing yourself. Here's the range. The market will open at 179.65, which would be right around here. We want to see IWM go. This is the breakout of the range. Now it may pull back and retest. Hopefully it doesn't do that. I'd like to see this one just go. I wouldn't wait on a retest. Now this one I got more time on. Cheaper call. I'm out 51 days. I got two of these bad boys. I probably will take profit at 184. Once it gets to 184, I'm gonna take profit in this trade. 184, put it right here. That's a nice level. And you say, why 154? Now I got a level here, but I'm gonna show you something. This level right here. Oh man, why are you doing that? All right, right here. They've made some updates to the platform. Because I've never seen that before. Ah, that ain't what I wanted to do. Let's see. Come on. I gotta. All right, I'm gonna have to take that off. 'Cause it ain't doing. I'm gonna show you. I got another level. We got about 2 minutes for the bell. It took off all my drawings. All right, that's okay. That is okay. So I'm gonna do it. It they've updated the they've updated the trading platform, so it's reacting a little different than usual. I just gotta get used to it. All right, boom. So this level right here, pull back here, market goes here. I'm gonna get out at 184. So instead of let me say that so I don't have to do it again. Now I'm gonna take profit right here at 184. I'm gonna have to redraw the trend line on there. So all I had was a triangle, and you guys, I'll redraw it so it'll be on there, and like so. And that's a good trend line because you got about 3 touches on that. Got another one here. So we're gonna make some money today. We got another minute for the bell open. So let's go to Tesla because I want to be on Tesla. Here we go. All right. So I expect it to get up here and that to act mm, as support or as resistance. I'm sorry. So it's right up there against that trend line. How much is the option worth? I just want to look at my option. All right. So I'm only up. I think I paid like 274 for it. You can come over here and click on overview. I paid 276. You look to the right, it's worth 330. That's like, man, dang, I'm not closing that out. It's about 50 bucks. So what I'm gonna do, and you may say, well, what am I looking to make on it? There's a couple ways for me to figure that out. And yeah, I can see the minute chart with it going down. I'm fine with that. I expected I expected it to get to this level and slow up. Like that's not unexpected. Now what we want to see, because it already broke out of here, so it could come back here and maybe fill the gap. But we want to see if we probably get an explosive move here by the end of the week. At least I'm hoping anyway, right? I'm going with my analysis on this one. Voice starting to fail me. So I'm gonna make this quick. I'm gonna show you how I'm calculating. There's a couple ways to calculate what I want to make on it. If this option right here becomes in the money, because right now it's out of the money, it's a 29 delta. In the money or at the money would be 50 delta or greater. That'll put it like right here. How much is it in the money option trading for currently? about 860 bucks. So that's approximately what I'm looking for my option to trade for. Excuse me. Now, another way you can look at that and kind of like game out your options about what you want. You see on the minute chart right here, I had this little box up, it turned. I like that. It's up to 250. My option now is worth 390. What, let's call it what, 390? What you guys think? Take 120 bucks off. I just put one for 130. We're gonna let it ride. Let's go to analysis. The analysis tab. All I'm doing is gaming out this. It's gonna take a minute for it to pop up because the market is moving fast. It should be showing what price do we want? Theoretical. I bought a 260, so let's call it 258. What I'm putting in is the price that I want to see. It's giving me a probability of 28%, saying that that's not real. That's a low probability, but I'm depending on my technical analysis, right? And a price will pop up. P&L theoretical. See it right here? If you look to the right, it's telling you price makes it there today. I make $422 on this option. Right now, I'm up like 139. So it gives it to you right there. And I can plot it on here. It's just that the market just opened up. I'll come back here in a little bit. You'll be able to see it right there. Just see. So it should be showing it on here. But sometimes when the market just opens, it takes a minute. But it'll also give you the price right there. So if you look up there in the right corner, once you put your price target in, it'll tell you what your P&L theoretical. Now, that's not exact, but it's just giving you a decent amount. Now remember that says 422. What did I say? I said about 8 something. I paid 276. So what basically my based upon my calculations, I make like 5 something. That's plus what I paid. So right here you can see what our option is and I can see the price. So I could take profit now if I wanted, or we can let it play out. Now, you may say, why did I pick that option? I buy my call options different. I like to go by the target of where I think the market can go. And you can see here's the trend line. So the market is right at the trend line. Now I'm banking that it's going to break through and it may pull back, but let's see. So I'm not going to stay on here the whole time. My voice is I'm catching it right now, but I just wanted to come on and talk about the two trades that I have on right now, option wise. I got Tesla. I got the 260 call for 9 days on Tesla. I may take it off sometime today. Now, if the market runs up here and hits this target, I'm out. Definitely, I'm out. If I double my money, then I'm out. I may go ahead if I can make 200 bucks on this option. And I just put it on yesterday, like literally. If I can make a couple hundred bucks in this option and I put it on at the end of the day, I'm gonna take that profit because this trend line may hold and the market could pull back into here. So I don't know what news is out on Tesla because I hadn't looked at it. Also, IWM. Let's see what. Oh man, let's see what IWM. I bought these for 172. I got two of them. Now they're trading for 236, 239. Let's see. Let's go look at it. I got 51 days on it. Now I may rock with this one longer because I'm 51 days out. It was a cheaper option, and I'm not exposed to as much data. Right, meaning that it's not a whole lot of option time decay in this IWM option that I bought. When options are below 23 days and lower, that theta decay kicks in and it eats up your time of your option. So you really want to be right on with your target. That depends on how long. When I'm under 23 days, I'm not looking to hold a while. Out further than 23 days, like when I start going out 50 days, 60 days, those are more like what you call like leaps, something like that. So I may sit with this one longer. But right now, up 60 over here. What we at on Tesla? I don't know, up a couple hundred, up $100 on Tesla. You know, not nice day going so far. We just gotta keep it up, and I do think that we will. And you say, "Oh, how do you know that?" All right, well, I got an alert that hit. So I was in this trade yesterday, and I took it off. You see, the alert just came up, right? I don't know if it came up on you guys' screen or not. In PDD, I was trading this yesterday. I'm mad at myself because I took it off. I would have got paid. Look, boom. I had a target on here. Let's see. I can show you. If I go to my order chains in PDD, you'll see I bought it. See, I bought it yesterday. I took it off. I held it for the day. I only made like 10 bucks because I was like, I'm not holding this over. Because it gapped up. I said, I'm not gonna hold this overnight. I don't know. It may pull back down. I had a target up here at 143. It hit my target. I took it down, but I don't know if I can still see it on here. We go to PDD. Might see it on here. Look at it. Yeah, I had this. I was looking at this yesterday. You can see I had my fibs on, and it finally broke out. It chopped all day yesterday. And then I said, you know what? I ain't gonna hold it overnight. And look what happened the next day. I be on, guys. But so remember today. I don't know if you're a bear or not. If you're a bear, turn the screen off. Your puts ain't making no money today. So you all bears go home because the market is in full effect today. Anytime you see the Russell, those are your small caps. Anytime you see and it's breaking out of a pattern. Anytime you see the Russell bang into the upside, right? That is your sign when you see the Russell moving up to get that the overall market because these are small caps. And I'm gonna show you another trick, guys. How I know, I probably shouldn't say I know, right? This is not financial advice. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna give you another what was that? I'm gonna show you guys another little trick. Looking at the 2-year yield. 2-year yield. So this is what the Federal Reserve controls the most. When you hear the Fed making policy changes, talking about interest rates, and or sometimes when they start buying bonds and doing things of that nature, or they step into the housing market, they affect the 2-year more than anything. And the 2-year yield, this is your interest rates just going up, right? This is how we know. You see them on TV talking about interest rate cuts are being factored in, but real rates are going down. The 2-year rates, you can see right here. This is the 2-year. I've already charted out the 2-year. I don't know if I did a video on it or not. So this is how, if I know that yields are going down, that means equities should go up. They may not go up all the time, but the general thesis is these bad boys start coming down, equity should start going up. So you see how this is targeting going down, and I always tell you guys watch the bonds. Let's go look at the bonds. Bonds are up too. So this is all bullish for the market. These are bullish signals. Advanced decline line is at 311. That means out of the S&P 500, 315 of the stocks are up. I don't know who if you're in there shorting today, you going Boeing and Caterpillar are up. Caterpillar is up. You see, I got a chart on it too. So I don't have any bearish sig. Look at Boeing. Look at Boeing. Look at that. That's a real V shape. When they say V shape recovery, that's it. That's your V. So boom, boom. So the Bulls are in charge right now. We'll probably have to have some type of event to turn this market around. But hey, guys, you got something out of this video. Um, Please hit the like button, subscribe, share the video. Let me know if it's something that you want me to pull up. If it's something you trading, you drop it in the comment section, and then I can get to it. If you want to get on the TastyTrade platform, it's the best platform it is. Um, yes, I get something if you sign up and put. I think you got to put 2,000 in the trade, but I use it, right. It ain't like I'm doing affiliate marketing with something I don't use. This is what I use. So, and I think this, I'm gonna show you something. This right here is worth it. See this little orange bar in the middle? This worth all, like, I haven't seen another platform that has the expected move calculated like them. So you know your range. And the option market is telling you your range right here. And this is, and I play within this range. So when I hear people giving out where they think the market's gonna go within a certain time frame, whatever time frame I'm trading, I'm banking, in here. You don't, and you can see the rest of the market. Look over here. Right here where I bought this call, it's 580,000 contracts. Also traded just today. Just, excuse me, I'm sorry. 11,000 option contracts already. 5,000. You got 5,000 right here. 5,860 contracts traded just today. In the 21 minutes that I've been doing this video, 5,000 more people have gotten calls at this area. What that tell you? The volume is highest right here. So what does that tell you? It's other traders looking at the same area that I'm looking at the market going. Either they shorting right there or they buying that it gets right there. Either way, what do you think price action gonna do? Now I've seen people say, well, you can't look at that, da 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 da. I've been looking at it for a while, and price seems to go where all the traders are. It just seems to find that area. So I'm banking on that area holding firm when it gets there. And people are, look, 6,000 contracts. They trading the heck out of Tesla right now. So that, with that being said, look at my trend line. My trend line is holding. You see? So well, I'm just gonna kind of watch it and then we'll see what's going on. Once again, guys, I'm gonna be out. I already went over my time, and I'll come back. Maybe I'll try to do a video tomorrow morning and recap some of these trades, and then we'll look at what the market can do from here. That being said, I'm out, guys. Peace.